Hello. How is everybody doing today? This lovely Wednesday. It's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, Remax House of Real Estate. And I'm going to take you guys on a home tour. What do you think about that? Who wants to see a beautiful listing that is not on the market yet? Coming soon. Look at this beautiful kitchen behind me. It has a gas stove. It's such a great place. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to show you guys. So excited to show you guys this house. So it's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, Remax House of Real Estate. And I am in Airdrie today at 30 Windford Heights, Southwest Airdrie. So yay, come on here and say hello. Hi, Tara. Hi, Jen. Tyler, I'm seeing, is that Tyler or Jen? Somebody's sending me hearts. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the hearts. It makes me feel very happy. So yeah, look at the color of the cabinets behind me. Look at that kitchen. This house is so upgraded and like a brand new house, but better because it's fenced and landscaped. And it's amazing. 30 Windford Heights, so I'm gonna start this video tour very soon. Hello, Frida, Genevieve, hello, how are you doing? Thank you for joining. It's good to see you all virtually. It's good to connect. So anyways, I'm just walking through this beautiful home. It's just under 1,900 square feet. Has an attached garage. I'll show you the front after. But it's got just so many upgrades. They've upgraded every light fixture. Look at the light in here. Who loves that light? Like, look at that. That's when you first come in. Isn't that pretty? Hi, Megan. Is that Megan? Somebody's sending me hearts. Thank you for the hearts. I love it. I love it. I love it. So anyways, I'm not going to take too long because Peter is waiting to do some photos and measures today. So this one's going to be live on Friday, probably around noon. So if you know anybody looking, or if you are looking yourself, make sure you contact us. Let your realtor know that maybe you already have a realtor. So if you do, let them know you saw this awesome house in Windsong coming soon, and get them to text me or message me, and we'll make sure we get you in. If you don't have a realtor yet, make sure you message us and we'll help you out. So let's flip this camera around, show you guys the house. I'll show you the front first. We'll see if Peter is out there, because I know he loves being in the videos, right? Okay, you can also tag your friend, or you can start a watch party. Oh, there's Peter, he's right there. I'm gonna show the front of the house. And then it's Peter just loves it when he's here because he gets to be in my video. Okay, I'm gonna flip it around and show you guys the street. Here is the street. Look how cute these houses are. We got some blue skies today. It's my favorite with the white clouds. Okay, make sure you call us about the guarantee. Okay, here, no, you're not, you're moving into it. Okay, there, stay back there and then you won't be there. Okay, here's the front of the house. So it's got really nice curb appeal. They just had the windows all cleaned inside and outside. This is like the cleanest house you're ever gonna see. It's got a really nice spot here for a little table if you want to sit on your front step. Okay, let's go in. So you come in, you've got this really great flex room, and it actually used to be a nail studio, so they have a sink in here. So if you do have a salon or something, it'd be awesome. But this sink is also very easy to remove. You could just have it as an office like we kind of staged it, or a little sitting room. It's just a nice flex area. It's got upgraded hardwood throughout the whole main and upper. It's the best one because it doesn't show anything. It's not shiny, but it's got a little bit of a texture to it a little bit. And it's got this really cool feature up here. And this, it's like a really neat ceiling feature. So it's really cool when you first come in. Okay, so we've got the tall doors here. Like what? I guess they're just about 9 feet tall, just under 9 feet tall. We've got the wooden railing. They've got upgraded blinds throughout the whole house, gas fireplace, tons of room. Look how big this living room is. It's so big. Okay, living room, very big dining area. And I'm gonna tell you guys the price of this house at the end, okay? So who else is watching? Is Caitlin on here? So this is the listing that I'm doing with Caitlin. On our team, we always do our listings as a team, but some of them my agents are in charge of, and some I'm in charge of, but we always work together. So Caitlin did an awesome job meeting these great people, telling them what we do, and we have the privilege of helping these guys sell their home. Okay, it's got a smart TV. This is the coolest thing ever. You can program it, you can tell you the weather or whatever. It's very cool. It's like a tablet on there. The granite, it's actually quartz, really nice upgraded quartz. We've got an undermount sink, the gas stove, so much counter space. This is the door to the garage. We've got a lot of shelving here and a big closet for when you come in. So it's got a nice entry. Okay, the basement is unfinished, but it's a very nice layout. Super nice layout, and so we've got the wood stairs, beautifully done and immaculate. You guys, there's no damage at all in this house, okay? Okay, so one room at the end here is very large. It's using it as an office. We could definitely fit a queen size bed in there. Look at the light fixture here, just so sparkly. What a cool fixture. Okay, another linen closet right here. And it would come down to the master with the double doors. It's the double door master. It's quite grand, upgraded fixture again. They've got a king size bed in here and a really good sized closet. So it goes all the way around the back as well. So it's a really nice sized closet. Caitlin, are you on here? Hello, hello. Thank you for joining, everybody. I'm in airdrie today. Come and look at the master bathroom. Okay, double sinks, upgraded fixtures, drawers, and it's got this amazing shower. This is an upgraded shower, so it's all tile in there, and the nice glass door as well. So there's that. Plus a soaker tub, guys. Look at this soaker tub. But there's also a hot tub included with a gorgeous covering. So I'll show you that. I'll go back down and I'll show you that. Okay, so this is the master. It is so big. Here's the other bedroom. This is a double, I think, but you could for sure fit a queen. Look at that. And upper laundry. It's a room. It's not a closet. It's an actual room. Okay, who's loving this house? And we've got the main bath right here. So this is also big, and it's got the tile to the ceiling and drawers. Whoops, sorry, I'm giving you guys a little bit of a, making you all dizzy probably. So it's got drawers, a lot of storage. Who is loving it? Are you guys loving this? Wait till you hear the price. You're gonna like it even more. And we always want to give you the opportunity to get into these houses. So that's why we like to show you early before we list them, to let you have time to book it so you can get in, because we want to give everybody a chance, right? Okay, they also have a really cool water softener system, but it's the simplest cool. It's just a copper pipe that they have on their main line. Oh, I forget what it's called, but it's really awesome. It's from, they had to ship it from somewhere. I can type it in the remarks, but it treats the water in the house, all the water in the house. So it really saves your appliances. It's good for your hair, all that stuff. Okay, they've also got outside here, stamped concrete, okay? Look at this patio. Do you know how much it is to do this huge stamped patio? It's a very big deal. And they've got a gas line to their barbecue. Okay, and this yard is so immaculate. The grass is perfect. And look at this hot tub with the enclosure as well. So you can shut your curtains. You can have a little dinner out here. Okay, it's sunny. We got the sunny backyard. Anyways, now you can see why I'm so excited about this house, right? Sorry, I'm losing my voice. Too much talking, Dion. So, that's the tour. It is 30 Windford Heights in Airdrie. If you message us, message your realtor. Text us or call us, 403-483-9208. We'll make sure we get you in on Saturday. So we're gonna list it Friday. We're gonna be showing it to people Saturday, okay? So get ready, you guys. I'm gonna tell you the price. What is the price again? Jen texted it to me. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Okay, I had to open the door to get data. Anyways, the price. No, you didn't miss the price. I haven't said it yet. I don't want to say the wrong price, but I think it's $443. Anyways, I will type in the price, but it's right around there. $442.9 or $443.9, okay? Whoops. That is the price for this amazing home. It's just under 1,900 square feet. Beautiful. Okay, you guys you got to get in here. So I'm going to go. Have a great day. We will see you all very soon.